Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'll be showing you how to use Picture-in-Picture on iOS 14. Now, Picture-in-Picture is a feature you might have missed that you can actually use to do multiple things on your iOS 14 enabled iPhones or other devices to better be able to multitask. Now, it will allow a overlay of a video platform in the background as you do other stuff. Let me go ahead and show you. Now, of course, popular platforms like YouTube do not allow this as yet, but hopefully in the future they will. But of course, you can use other features through the built-in browser. So go ahead and I'm going to find a website and I'm going to show you a video example. All right, here's a rough example, guys. So here I'm on a website called Dailymotion. So I'm going to do here now, guys, to show you that the feature does work. So anywhere you have, in most cases, we have a website where you have video being played. Right on top, you can do is go ahead and maximize your screen. Once you maximize the screen, you're going to go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Check this out, guys. You have on screen this movable tab. And what you can do is you can continue watching your video with audio. I've disabled the audio because I don't want to get copyright strike. While you're doing that, guys, you can do other stuff on screen, such as, for example, I can go ahead and open another profile, such I can go over to Instagram. And check it out, guys. Notice I'm doing this in the background while this is being done. I can move the video around. I can keep scrolling through Instagram while listening to the program. And what I'm doing here, guys, is just multitasking. All right, so you realize that this works. And of course, you can always go back to what you're doing with the picture-in-picture. Notice I've maximized. And if I wanted to, I can go ahead and close this out. All right, so that's just one implementation. Other popular website this works on. If I wanted to, I could take it over to Twitch. Right here I'm on Twitch. This is happening right now. But what I like about Twitch is Twitch has its built in. So if you go here, you'll notice you can actually go ahead and tap the live picture-in-picture button there. Upper left. So go ahead and tap. Notice Twitch automatically is optimized for this. So while you're watching your videos on Twitch, for example, you can have them there. Forgive me, the internet is a little bit slow. And as usual, guys, I can go ahead and do stuff in the background as I like. So as you can see, it's working just fine. So picture-in-picture is one of those features you definitely want to check out, guys, where you can enjoy your device. You can have something going on at one stage while you do something else in the background. For example, I can bring up my calculator while I'm watching here. Notice I'm able to do this. And of course, that's allowed in the picture-in-picture feature. And as usual, guys, if you're ready, you can go back or you can close out the app. You can close out your apps. Great feature to use. Make sure that you're using this, guys, on iOS 14. Great multitasking feature that's been recently added, which is a feature you should be using right now on your iOS 14 enabled device. All right, guys, Ricardo Gardner as usual from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.